Converting fractions to percents. The key to converting a fraction to a percent is to get the denominator to become 100. Then you can convert that to a percent. So right now we have 10, and I want to convert this to a 100. So I have to find out, see, this is larger, I need a multiplier. So 10 times 10 will give me 100. This multiplier here, I use in the numerator. So times 10 here, 1 times 10 is 10. Then the 100 becomes a percent, and the 10 goes in front of it. So 10% means 10 out of 100. Okay, here we have 5. I want the denominator to be 100. So I find the multiplier. So this is times 20. 5 times 20 is 100. So I use the multiplier here, times 20 here. 6 times 20 is 120. The 100 is represented by the percentage, and the number on top is the 120. So 120% is 6/5. Okay, next. I want to convert this fraction to a percentage. So I would need the denominator to become 100. So the question is 2 times what will be 100? And that'll be 50 as a multiplier. So times 50. So I'll multiply the top also by 50. And 0.1 times 50 ends up being a 5. Then the 100 here is converted to percentage, and the 5 here goes next to it. So 0.1 over 2 is 5%. Next, 1/4. I want the denominator to become a 100, so I find my multiplier from 4 to 100, and that'll be times 25. So I use my multiplier in the numerator as well. And 1 times 25 is 25. The 100 here becomes the percentage, and the 25 goes in front. Okay, here. Okay, I want this denominator to become a 100, so I multiply. So I set is equal to 100 here. I find my multiplier, so this is times 10. I use my multiplier here as well. 5 times 10 gives me 50. The 100 becomes a percent, and 50 goes in front. Okay. This is already 100 in the denominator, so we're going to convert the 100 into a percent and bring down the 40. Finish. This is 1,000. To convert a 1,000 into a 100, instead of multiplying by 100, we actually need to divide by, instead of multiplying by 10, we're going to divide. So here, we need to divide by 10. So instead of a multiplier, we need a divider. So here I use the same divider. 30 divided by 10 becomes a 3. So now I have 100 here, which becomes the percentage, and the 3 goes in front. So 30 out of 1,000 is 3%. And next, we have 1,000 here. We want that to be 100. So we need a divider. We need to divide this by 10. We'll do the same thing in the numerator. We're going to divide by 10 here. And 200 divided by 10 is 20. So the 100 is represented by the percentage, and the 20 goes in front. So 20 over 100 is 20%.